I am going to make sambar out of this Madarasi Kaukadi. This is a cucumber variety. It is available easily everywhere. For this, I took 2 green chilies, curry leaves, 1 onion, small onion, 1 small tomato, some salt, sambar powder and hing, asafoetida. And I am going to soak this imli, not so much, 1 avla size, and some mustard seeds, methi seeds, fenugreek, raw red chilies and some coconut grate for seasoning. And this is tuar dal, sambar dal. I am going to cook it, pressure cook it. I will show you afterwards. Put 1 tablespoon of oil. Some green chili, chopped onion, some tomato and curry leaves. I have squeezed off the tamarind, soaked tamarind, and take this much juice. Adding some turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of jaggery powder. Mix it well. Pour into that tomato, onion, shallow fried mixture and bring this to a boil. Started boiling. Add some hing, asafoetida, some salt and sambar powder. Mix it well. I have cooked that cucumber pieces for a while. Add it to the boiling sambar. Cook it for a while. Then only it will absorb. You can keep it in sim. It is boiling with the vegetable. I have steam cooked the vegetable already, and now I am going to pour this dal, tur dal. We call it sambar dal also. You need quite a bit of dal for this sambar, because in rasam you have to put only cooked dal's water, but in sambar you have to cook it properly and mix the dal itself. There are so many types of dal, sambar. This is cucumber sambar, which is very tasty, easy also. Now I am going to make one seasoning, fodni for this. In South Indian seasoning on topping, we need curry leaves and coriander leaves compulsorily. But now I don't have coriander leaves, so I put curry leaves in the sambar itself to get boiled. I am going to put pure ghee for seasoning, 2 teaspoons, not so much, 2 teaspoons pure ghee. And today we are going to eat this sambar. So many questions are coming, like sambar means you have to eat it with idli only. How can you eat it with rice? Idli sambar is entirely different from this sambar. Means ingredients itself is different. Idli sambar is a different variety of food. You cannot have rice with idli sambar. This is made only to eat with rice. You can eat it with dosa or something else, but idli sambar, what is available in the restaurants, you cannot eat rice with that. The ghee is hot. I am taking mustard seeds, methi seeds, fenugreek, desiccated coconut, curry leaves. I have put it in the sambar only, and some green chilli broken. Mix it. Today I am going to eat this. We are going to eat this with rice and roasted papad. In papad also there are so many varieties. You can have it with fryams also. Yeah, it's ready. See the consistency. It is not so thick. We like it this way. You can make it thick also. See. Very nice to eat with rice.